today I'm going to show you a spectacular move called the helicopter. So friends, this is the starting position of your move, and for your better understanding I have split the whole move into 3 parts. Let's do one by one, and you must note that throughout this move you have to keep your right arm and your left arm opposite each other. You are starting from here, your right hand goes up, yes, and the second part, your left hand goes down, and in the third part you have to reach where you have started, right? This. So now let's do it a bit faster. Stand in your starting position and 1, 2 and 3. Repeat the moves. 1,